everyone! Welcome to another fun suggestion for a CLIL lesson. That's Content and Language Integrated Learning. Hello, boys and girls! Welcome to our class! Today we have a super fun adventure waiting for us. We're going to follow a tiny little friend called Drop. And together we'll discover the magic of the water cycle. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at these pictures. What do you see? Yes, water is everywhere. In the tap, in the river, falling like rain, flying like steam, and freezing like ice. Now tell me, do you drink water every day? Can water be hard like ice or invisible like steam? Water can be liquid, solid, or gas. Isn't that amazing? Let's say the magic words together. Ready? Liquid, solid, gas, rain, river, cloud, dry, wet, save. Now listen carefully. Here comes a tiny drop of water telling her story. Hi, I'm Drop. I live on a big river in Brazil. One hot day, I went up to the sky. I became a cloud. Then, I fell as rain. Now I'm in a plant. I help it grow. Next day, who knows? Wow, what a trip! Now it's time for some real science. Let's observe. What is this? Ice. Is it cold? Yes. Is it solid? Yes. Now look at the steam. It's gas. And this? Water we drink. It's liquid. Now it's video time. Let's see how the water cycle works where you live. Does water go up and come down again? Is it a cycle? Can you say it in Portuguese? Ciclo da água. Let's make some water sentences together. Here are some examples. Water is liquid. I use water to drink. Let's remember what we learned. Water can be solid, liquid, or gas. We learned new English words. We did science experiments. We made our own sentences. You are now little water scientists in English. If you want to read Drop's story again or do the experiments, go to our website with your teacher or family. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time for more learning, more fun, and more English. Bye-bye. See you soon.